welcome back to Dad v
Daughter.
And today we're supposed to have had a very special one. Unfortunately, the subway that we went to had run out of jacket spuds. So we've gone for something, well, I don't know what I've got because it's a surprise.
A breakfast wrap.
I'm supposed to be on a diet.
And what? You getting your meats in today?
What, breakfast wrap? Is it like got cornflakes and stuff on it?
No, that's nasty. But I've got ham, cheese, hash brown and beans.
We'll give this a go then, shall we? Oh, and another thing as well. I've decided to bite the bullet and go for something on
TikTok.
On TikTok, yeah, that's right. And it's called greens.
Mango.
This is supposed to be mango and vanilla. Now let me tell you, it tastes like grass and ass.
Well, I mean, it does have grass in it.
Yeah, don't have ass in it though, does it?
I like it.
So I'm going to give this a go for a month. If my body changes out drinking this, then I'll carry on drinking it. But if it don't, which I very much doubt it will, it's probably just a publicity stunt as usual.
Whoa!
What's that?
I just told you what it was.
What you got on that one?
I just told you ham, cheese, beans and hash brown.
So you've had a breakfast then?
Yeah.
Has mine got beans?
No.
Why ain't mine got beans? Let me guess, because you won't bloody be able to fit it on.
You were struggling to wrap that up.
Struggling to wrap that. Ooh, it's got an egg on it. That's mine. Let's have a butcher's at this. Got egg, hash brown, bacon, sausage, tomato sauce, cheese. Let's have a butcher's at this then. What's that one like?
It's nice.
That's better than McDonald's. How much for this one?
Altogether it was 15 quid.
How much would a Mackey's one be? That's pretty nice. I like that. I think I'll have to put beans on it next time.
I think it will be better without the hash browns.
That's definitely better than McDonald's. What are you doing?
It's not nice with the hash browns.
Oh, don't you like hash browns?
Not anymore.
Send them over to my plate, son.
They're cold.
Come along. What?
They're cold.
So, why are they cold?
Because he took and then I asked for hash brown and beans and he said, do you want them warming up? I'm like an idiot, I said no.
Idiot. That's what I thought.
We need to try that before it gets cold.
Yep.
So each we have A cheese dipper with Southwest sauce.
Cheese dipper.
I don't know which one it is, but on one of them there's 2 wraps, not one.
This one. Cheese dipper. How can that be a cheese dipper?
Because you're supposed to dip it in the sauce, but I asked for the sauce on it.
Are they not? Oh yeah. You know what's missing?
What? Jalapenos.
That's right, jalapenos.
No. These were only $1.99.
Now where have I tasted that before? I've tasted this before. What's that sauce your sister has? Chelsea?
Peri peri.
Peri peri, yeah.
Doesn't taste like that.
Does?
It doesn't.
I know what it tastes like. Supercharger.
Don't eat that. I said the heat.
It's right, it's alright, don't worry about it.
It's too warm.
Too warm? Oh yeah, that's lovely. That's right.
Okay. What do you rate your wrap at? You sub?
10. That's definitely a 10. That's lovely, that. It's better than McDonald's. Ham is the schnoodle out of McDonald's.
I think mine's about an 8. It's alright. Should have asked for it warm. You dipper?
For $1.99 it's not bad. It's worth its money. Can you add stuff to it, or?
I don't think so.
I'd get an 8 then. That's definitely a 10. That is.
I give this a 10. I love these.
Subway surprised me with that one.
We just need to find one with spuds next time.
They've got spuds, they just run out of them.
Yeah, then they don't have spuds then, do they?
No. I fear you're right, Tom. I wanted to smack your head with that then.
Why?
But I know all the cheese and everything will come out if I did that.
Rude.
Oh yeah. That's just right. It's just like what your mum cooked you when you were a nipper. A breakfast in the morning. What do you reckon to that drink?
This drink? I like it. It's best with ice.
No.
It is.
No. Be better with whiskey or something in it.
That's not healthy for you.
I don't know. Or fruit juice.
We need to have ice because it's so much better with ice. Even Chelsea said it's better with ice.
Get your sandwich yet?
Bloody hell, I'm a bit warm.
Oh, well, lovely that. I think next time I'll have a big one.
Right then.
So hopefully next time we go to Subway there'll be a spud.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is that everything?
You want to take your own?
I will.
Yeah, that's everything today.
Alright then.
Unless we need to go somewhere else.
I don't think so.
So because of that mishap today, it's only a short one.
Womp womp.
So, yep.
I find it so awkward recording when people are next to you.
Why?
I don't know. Hi guys.
Hi. Hi, how are you? Good morning.
Right, I think that's everything.
Yep. I got nothing else to say on that one.
Me neither. If you guys have any suggestions on where to go, where to try, then comment down below and we'll try our best to...
Make it towards your area.
Yes.
That were really filling, Tam, that.
And we also have some challenges.
If I'd have gone to McDonald's, I'd have had to have had 2 of them.
Yeah. We have some
Challenges?
Challenges, yeah.
Oh, what challenges?
They'll have to wait and see.
It's a spoiler.
Huh?
A spoiler.
No, because I hadn't told you what it is. I don't know if you want to do it.
I'll do it.
Okay. Shall I say the title?
Yeah.
Okay. Swapping diets for 24 hours.
Swapping what?
Diets for 24 hours.
I don't want to do it anymore.
So I've got to eat yours and you've got to eat mine.
Rephrase that, Tam.
Okay. I've got to eat your diet, you've got to eat my diet.
Okay. But what? You only eat bleeding pasta and...
No, I don't.
or whatever it is, noodles.
No, I don't. I don't like noodles anymore.
Oh, God. What do you eat now, then?
I'll have to wait and see.
What, and you want my diet?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to eat whatever it is that I eat?
Yeah, and you've got to eat whatever I eat.
Okay.
No matter what it is. Even if you dislike it, you've got to eat it all.
Okay.
So, I guess we'll see you guys in next week's video.
I hope you like jalapenos.
I hope you like cake.
Why?
And homemade pizza.
No, just food, Tam. It's just food. Cake's not...
No,
Cake's
you got to have the snacks as well. You can't just have the...
Well, I don't eat
the
snacks, so you're free for that, aren't you?
Yeah, I eat snacks though, so you're not free of that.
When's that one?
Probably in a few weeks.
Good. Get me ready for it.
But that means that if I eat a midnight snack, I have to come into your room and give you a midnight snack.
You don't eat a midnight snack.
Yeah, I do.
You're not coming into my room anyway. I'll be asleep.
Okay, I think that's That's everything.
Oh, God. Bloody everywhere.
What have you done that for?
Everywhere, Tanya.
Can't take you anywhere.
Might have to bring dog with us next time, won't we?
That means we're going to have to either do a Macca's or KFC.
No, even that fat little git's on a diet. He can have a carrot and like it.
He's not fat, he's a little bit chunky.
He's fat.
He's not fat.
Yes.
He's not.
We'll have to find something for him.
Aye.
But he's definitely not having a Macca's or KFC.
Well, if we go to some form of shop then, he'll be happy with pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
He likes pepperoni.
He does like pepperoni. He also likes popcorn chicken.
And nuggies.
And nuggies, yeah. Might treat him and get him a cheeseburger.
Your car would be a mess.
It's alright, that's what you're for. You can clean it.
Absolutely not.
Oh, well, anyway. So anyway, we'll see you.
Next week.
Yeah, for some other random...
Nonsense.
Yeah.
Maybe even have an actual spud.
Yeah.
Who knows?
You never know.
Goodbye!
We might have to come a bit earlier. Bye-bye. You don't let anybody finish, you, do you? Eh?
I thought you was finished.
I am finished now. So,
Goodbye! You said you were finished. Go on.
Are we done? Right, so we'll see you next Sunday on Dad V.
Daughter.
Bye-bye for now.